Hey guys, Will with Transitions of Indiana here, getting ready to meet with Nikki from WZPL. She's going to walk us through her PRP treatment today. She's going through laser hair therapy, PRP, products as well, scalp treatment. Super excited to see what it's like for her.
Hey, what's up? It's Nikki from the Smiley Morning Show. I've been hanging out with Transitions of Indiana. They've been helping me fix my hair. Looks a ton better already. But I've been doing the laser treatments with them and also the PRP, and I thought maybe you'd want to come with me and just see how it all works. So let's go. Hey, Will.
Hey, how's it going? Welcome.
Thank
So good to see you.
Good
You
to
ready?
see you too. I'm ready.
All right, let's go.
Okay. Okay, so the first part of PRP is getting your blood drawn. And I know you're all like, needles, but really it's not that big of a deal. It's so simple, they're pros, and you're gonna watch me do it, so it's all gonna be fine.
What I'm going to do is I'm just going to take 1 tube of blood here. It's a 5 times more concentrated tube. Five times more concentrated just means you get that richer plasma for better results.
Look at that, I'm fine. Everything was good. So now we're gonna go back there a little bit behind the scenes and check out how they get the platelets out of my blood.
So it's done here.
What is that?
So we're looking at your plasma.
Okay, science lesson over. Now it's time, after about a half hour that I've been here, to actually get the platelets put in my head so that it can start working. So let's get this started. They've just got this super efficient chiller, so you know, they put it in the areas that you might need a little bit of soothing, and then you can walk right out and be totally fine. All right, check it out. Just a little over 45 minutes. Some of that was me chatting with my friends here at Transitions, but that is PRP. That's it. And now I'm done. I can go on about my day. Cool, huh?
Well, so good to see you. Thanks
Good
for
to
coming
see
in.
you. Thank you so much, Will.
You're so welcome.
I'll see you next time
All right,
for
sounds
sure.
good. Take care.
See you at Transitions.